Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Javier. I'm the founder of Cometa, an Airtable agency based in Mexico. And today I'm going to show you LifeQuest AI, which is a journal completely built on Airtable that combines RPG elements with automations and AI agents. And the goal is simple: to have a personal journal that motivates me to level up my character while also helping me better understand the context of my life. Let's dive into it. Okay, guys, first of all, we need to submit a new journal entry. Here we have a date field. How do I feel today on a scale of 1 to 5? And here I can write everything that happened during the day or anything that's on my mind, right? So once I submit this form, I can go to this next page where I can see all the daily entries, and I'm going to open the last one as an example. Here we can see all the data, and below we can actually see some AI agents that have already done their job and have assigned some experience points from 1 to 5 to each of these attributes based on everything I wrote during this day. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how does this work? To understand this, we need to go to the next page, which is the attributes page. And here we can see all the attributes or areas of our life that we want to track. For example, in my case, I like to track mind, body, relationships, purpose, and growth. Each of these attributes actually has a description and an image. So each time we submit a new daily journal entry, the AI agent will take this as a reference to determine how many points we get uh, each day for each of the attributes. Now that we understand this, we can start seeing all the experience points we're gaining on any given day. So we can see it on this report, for example. And next, we can start seeing things on a weekly basis, which is where things start to get more interesting. Here we have the 10 weeks of the year, that the weeks that have passed by, the week type. So if it was an excellent week, a good week, regular week, or challenging week, the journal entries, and a brief summary made by AI as well. Now, to understand how all this works, let me briefly explain what's going on the background. So, first of all, each week it's actually a record. We have a record for each of the weeks. And we have some automations running on the background that actually, each time we submit a new daily journal entry, the automations will classify the daily entry to its corresponding week. That way, the AI agents can read and analyze all that happened during the week and start doing their job. For example, this agent is based on a brief summary of what was the most relevant things that happened during the week. This agent is based on achievements. So, what were the most positive things that happened, for example, during this week? And lastly, we have another agent focused just on challenges. What were the most relevant problems or tensions that arose during this week? This way, we can start seeing things on a weekly basis so we can have better insights. For example, I can start seeing all the most relevant achievements for each of the weeks so I can keep track of it on a better organized way. I can also see it as focus on challenges. So, what are the most important challenges that have been arising each of the weeks? And lastly, we can see a dashboard where we can keep track of everything, but in a more fun and visual way. For example, this is the weekly progress, the number of journal entries we're submitting each week compared to our target, our goal, which is 5. We can see a count of the week types. So apparently, I've been having more regular weeks. The daily experience gains. So each day, how many experience we're gaining for each of the attributes. And lastly, we can see our attributes level up to date. Apparently, for example, my highest level is on mine. I'm level 19. and my lowest level is on body. So this way I can keep track of everything and have better insights of what's happening in my life. So there you have it. This is LifeQuest AI. This is a simple but practical example of how journaling, gamification, and AI agents can work all together. And since everything is built on Airtable, it's pretty flexible, so we can keep adding new features on the future. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.